Good morning, friends. Uh, I hope everyone is good and safe at home. So today we are going to start uh, second lesson to you all from this your book. Okay. So this lesson name is "Paying the Forest Man of India." Okay. So it is beautiful lesson. Okay. So students, by not much wasting your time, so let us start the thing. So before going to start this lesson, just do some warm up here. Day by day, the world's forest cover is getting reduced. Okay, this deforestation lead to the worrying chain of events. Look at these features and name the condition and what it may lead to. Match the words to the picture first. Okay, so here they have given four charts here. Okay, so first is wild animal losing their home and straying into human habitations and getting killed by humans. So this is the fourth one. See, I think you are seeing now an elephant on the track. Floods and soil erosion. So then the second chart is that one. Excessive heat due to poor rainfall and climate changes. Okay, that one. The first chart. Wild animals getting hit by trains. Hmm? Okay. So first one is wild animals losing their homes and straying into human habitations and getting killed by human. Floods and soil erosion. Okay. Then second one, excessive heat due to poor rainfall and climate changes. Okay. And wild animals getting hit by train. That is in fourth shot. Okay. So this forest man of India is a beautiful lesson. Okay, now let's see. So this all about his life story. It was the scorching summer of 1978 when Jadhav Paying, so just we call it him Jadhav. Okay, a missing tribal teenage boy returned to his birthplace at Arunasapuri, a river island on the Brahmaputra. Okay, he had just completed his class 10th exams and was about to loop strangely back into the different space of his life, but no one could have predicted how different. Okay, so this lesson is all about a person, that is Jadhav. Okay, so he belongs to Brahmaputra. In the year 1978, he just returned to his birthplace. Okay, a river of highland, that is Brahmaputra. Hmm? So after 10th standard, so there was no one to imagine that how his life is going on, how he'll do his life, how he will lead his life, all those things. But no one could have predicted how different he could make the things. One on reaching home, Ping witnessed a sight that shook him to the core. More than 100 snakes curved, looped, and twisted lifeless on the deserted sandbar. The snake had been washed up to the sandbar by fields, floods, and had died without tree covered. The boy's heart broke. Okay, so on reaching home one day, he just saw there are hundreds of snakes are dead without tree covered. Okay, that boy heart broke. That boy is nothing but here Jadhav. Okay, and here the word hunt is there. List the present and past participle used in the chapter. Okay, example: scorching, distracted, seeking, counsel, etc. So when you are having time, so just write that kind of words. Okay. Okay. Next, continue. Distracted, distressed, and seeking counsel, he met the villagers of the heroic community nearby. They exhorted him to grow tree to save the capitals. For where there are trees, there are birds, and where there are birds, there will be a bird's eggs and fiddling food for snakes and their ill. Along with their native wisdom, the villagers offered a boy 50 seeds and 25 bamboo plants. Okay, to save the snakes, to save to get the food for snakes. So then he realized and he decided to grow up some trees. Okay, if there is a tree, then again birds will come. If there is a bird, again there is a bird eggs, and it is a good food for snakes. So he just realized in the community, okay, community members also they helped and they told, yes, you go ahead and do the things. Okay, and in the villagers offered 50 seeds, means 50 seeds for the tree and 25 bamboo plants. Okay, paying just 15 to 16, set out all alone in the 1979 April to plant life of the thought. Okay, terrain of the Edward Island covered with sand and silt. He sowed the seeds and showed. 36 years later, he has reaped a forest. See, just for 15, he was about 15, 16 years. Okay, in the year 1979 April, he has started planting trees, seeds, and bamboos, all the things. 36 year later, means after 36 years. So just you cannot imagine, my dear students, my dear friends. So we just made a forest. Okay, like all truly great people, paying now in his mid 50s, hailed as the forest man of India, planter of jungle, is innocent of his feet. I never thought that my small initiative would make such a difference one day, he said. So this beautiful word said by him. He's saying, so like all truly great people, so see, all great people will do great things by taking initial activities. Okay, so how what they do? They do the things in a small way, and definitely that work will take them to higher level. Okay, so now he is middle 50, mid 50, around 50, 50 somewhere. Okay, then he just in that these years only, he just called as forest man of India, and just we can say that he just constructed a jungle. Jungle means a zoo. I never thought that my small initiative would make such a difference one day. Just after seeing all the things, okay, after achieving this much, by getting honored, by getting this name, Forest Man of India, okay, by all these things, is just saying, I never thought, means I never thought that I could do these things. I would make this difference one day. After all, paying started small and poor. His father, K. Lakshmi Ram, and mother, fully paying, sold milk for the meagre livings in order to feed their many children. See that total family is service, giving service to the society. They are giving time to the small and needy people. Okay, his father and mother also is helping him, helping to the society or some peoples in another way. In 1965, okay, so Dilogi reached Aruna Sapori and forced paying families, among others, to meet 12 kilometers away to Majuli on the other side of the river. But that was not the only party. So what happened after some time? Their family were their family were told to move to the next place. It is actually far from 12 kilometers away to Majuli on the other side of the river. But that was not the only party. Before relocating, Acquit Poverty compelled his parents to leave their third born 5 years old Javid in the care of Anil, a court master at the district court of Jorot, who looked after his schooling. After 10th, Payne gave up the school to look after the livelihood left by his deceased parents. He still has 100 cows and buffaloes and make his living from selling milk, but he is no ordinary cattle owner. He can lay claim to 1360 across of dense and defiant forest. What happened? So before reloading to his poverty, before recovery from his poverty, okay, just his intention was to build a trees kind. After this, his schooling time, okay, so there was no position for him to study further because their parents are not feeling well. Okay, so then he still realized that yes, I can do something. He still has 100 cows, so he was having 100 cows, buffaloes, and make his living from the selling milk. But he is not ordinary cattle owner. Hmm? But he decided once, anyway, I am having 100 cows and buffaloes. Hmm? By selling the milk of those, so I can lead my life. But he realized that, but I was not meant for this. I was not meant for this. He can lay claim to 1360 acres of dense, okay, definite forest. So with these things, so half lesson is got over for you, my dear students. Okay, so remaining chapter we'll see tomorrow. But here let's read some words given below. Counsel means advice, especially given by older people or expert, or we can say it as a piece of advice. Exhorted means tried hard to pursue someone to do something. Ilk means type or kid. Terrain means used to refer to an areas of lands when you are mentioning its natural features like rough flats, mountains. Here the tough. Eroded means sometimes gradually destroyed due to the action of the wind or rain. Initiative means a new plan for dealing with a particular problem. Okay, deluge sudden, very heavy fall of rain causing flood. Defiant means here the bold. Okay, so scorching means very hot weather. Hmm? Mishing means an indigenous tribal community inhabiting 11 districts of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Loop means take a true in order to form a leap here. Take a turn to total different phase of his life away from the schooling. So students, so just for you all once again I would like to read the lesson slowly. Just observe. It was the scorching summer of 1978 when Jadhav, being a missing tribal teenage boy, returned to his birthplace at Aruna Sapori, a river island on the Brahmaputra. He had just completed his class 10th exam and was about to lose strangely back into the different phase of his life, but no one could have predicted how different. On reaching home, Ping witnessed a sign that shook him to the core. More than 100 snakes got looped and twisted lifelessly on the desert sandbar. The snake had been washed up to the sandbar by flood and had died without tree cover. That a small boy heart broken. Okay. Distracted and seeking counsel, he met the villagers to the Dirui community nearby. They exhorted him to grow tree to save the reptiles. For where there are trees, there are birds, and where there are birds, there will be birds, eggs, okay, fledgling food for snake and their ring. Along with this, their native wisdom, the villagers offered a boy 50 seeds and 25 bamboo plants. Paying just 16, 15 years, set out all alone in the year 1979, means in the month April, in April 1979, to plant life of thought, okay, terrain of the eroded island covered with sand and silt. He sowed the seeds and shoot. 36 years later, he has repeated a forest. Okay, so just he not only spent 1 or 2 days, 1 year, 2 year, he just spent 36 years. Like all truly great people, paying now in his middle 50, hailed as the most as the forest man of India, planted of a jungle, is innocent of his feet. Okay, so by this is great work, and now he is almost mid 50, and just took a record and great honor from the India and gave the name of Forest Man of India. I never thought that my small initiative would make such a difference one day. Before achieving this goal, before achieving this goal, he only didn't imagine that I would just to do this much of things. But he just said, my small initiative, I couldn't realize. Okay, I just never imagined that a small initiative in my life that would give me this much of respect, this much of those things. After all, Paying started small and poor. His father, Lakshmi Ram, and mother, fully Paying, sold milk for the meagre leaves in order to feed their many children. See, in his social activities, social helpness, his father and mother also helped for doing activities. In 1965, okay, Dilug raked Aruna Sapora, forced Paying family, among others, to move 12 kilometers away from the Majuli on the other side of the river, but that was not the only party. So after some days, if everything was going good, after some days, their family were told to shift from that forest side. Okay, before that is 12 kilometer away from that side of other side of river. Before relocating, accurate poverty complained his parents to leave their third born 5 years old Javit in the care of Anil Borki, the courtmaster at the district court of Jorat, who looked after his schooling. So after some days, their parents realized that now we are suffering. Okay, now we are poor. Now the poverty is eating us all. Okay, now we cannot force him to read. We cannot send him to school. So they have decided to send Jadhav to take care. That is Anil Borkur okay, court master of district court in Johor, who looked after his schooling. So he was the responsible person to take care of him after the schooling. After class 10th, Paying gave up school to look after the lively stock left by his deceased parents. So he read up to 10th standard. After 10th standard, he just left schooling, okay, because he has to protect the property of their parents. Deceased parents means their parents are now ill. So he still has 100 cows and buffaloes, okay. So now he is having 100 cows and buffaloes and makes his life from the selling mills, okay. So he would sold the milk, and but he is no ordinary cattle owner, because he got so much of respect, so much of work in his hand, and there was no time for him to sell the milk of cow and buffalo, okay, because now he is not an ordinary person. He can lay claim to 1600 acres of dense defiant forest. Now he got a name called forest man of India, even though his parents gave him 100 cows, buffaloes for his livelihood, but his target was not that one, to achieve big things, to go for big one, okay. He didn't stuck for the thing, but he was moving further. So my dear students, so with these things I just like to conclude the things. Tomorrow or in the next class, so we'll continue the lesson once again, okay. So just by seeing the screen, by seeing the things, those who are not having books, read at once. It's very easy things. Can, if you read 2-3 times, or if you listen this video 2-3 times, it will be easy very for you. So with the same hope, so if everything goes well, we'll all meet soon, okay. So take care. Thank you so much.